So what are the rounds? You know, the standard score, come up with a team name, you know, no cheating. Don't post comments, the answers in the comments box, yeah? Don't do that. Okay. So here are the rounds that we have today. So first round is, I've rebranded. It's called Back to School now. Primary school, but it could be secondary. Then secondly, we've got pictures. Then thirdly, charades. I'm looking swish. Look, thank you, Rob Peg. Have a look at this. Have a look at this, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Who's that stylish guy? Wait. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Oh, look at me. I'm ready for this quiz, baby. Then we've got charades, then music, and then a sing-along, So are you ready for round one? Are you ready for round one? I feel like these glasses feel very cool today. I'm going to wear them for round one. No, I'm going to save it for the DJ round. So round one is... Oh, Emily Butt says hot. Thank you. I'm feeling good. My hair's looking pretty swish as well. So don't get my ego inflated. I need to actually get out of the door after. Okay, round one, primary school. Back to school. Let's go for it. So first question, are you ready? Let's go. So serious face now. Again, I'm auditioning for Paxman's job one day, so I need to be focused as well. It's not all fun and games. Okay, question one. How many degrees does the internal angles of a triangle add up to? How many degrees does the internal degrees of a triangle add up to? That is question number one. How many degrees does the internal angles of a triangle add up to? That's question number one. Question number two. In Roald Dahl's book, The BFG, what do the letters BFG stand for? What do the letters BFG stand for? That is question number two. Question number three. Protons, neutrons, and what negatively charged particles are inside an atom? Protons, neutrons, and what negatively charged particles are inside an atom? It's question number three. Question number four. Spelling. So I want you to spell the word that means wishing to do one's work thoroughly. And the word is conscientious. Can you spell the word conscientious for me? That's question number four. That's question number four. And the final question for round one is this. True or false? The Vikings wore horned helmets. True or false? The Vikings wore horned helmets. I'll quickly recap the questions. I'll read them out for you. So question one was how many degrees are there in the internal of a triangle? How many degrees in total are there inside a triangle? Question two, what do the letters BFG stand for? What do the letters BFG stand for? Question three, protons, neutrons, and what negatively charged particles make up an atom? Protons, neutrons, and what negatively charged particles make up an atom? Question four was spell the word conscientious. And question five, true or false, the Vikings wore horned helmets. I think that is time for our 10-second dance. 10-second dance. 10-second dance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down, pens down. I'll say a few quick hellos before we do the answers. So hello on Facebook to the Roberts. Hello to Sarah Venice. Hello to Charlotte Gator from Explore. Hello to my mum. She's joined as well. And hello to Samantha Weeble. And hello Jean Gaunt from Manchester. And hello Diane Brady from Spain. We've gone international here. At Home Festival, Quiz for NHS, we are international. Okay, so here are the questions. Emily Butt says she's going to have to cool down. I'm sorry, yeah. I'm feeling, even look at that top button undone. Bit of Saturday night relaxation. People like my dances. I know. Hello, Joanna Wright as well. Okay, so let's go through the questions. They're worth one each. So, number 1 was 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Question number 2 was the big friendly giant. Big friendly giant. That's question number 2. You need all the words in the right order. Question 3 was protons, neutrons, and electrons. So that should be a bit of primary school knowledge coming back. Protons, neutrons, and electrons. Question 4, conscientious. I'm going to have to write it out for you. So it's, I'm double checking. So it's C-O-N, like con, C-O-N. Then S-C-I, like psi. So C-O-N, S-C-I. Then it's E-N-T. So C-O-N, S-C-I, E-N-T. Then I-O-U-S. I-O-U-S. So C-O-N, S-C-I, E-N-T-I-O-U-S. Conscientious. That is question number 4. And the last one. So with my home festival, I do history classes on a Thursday. And the Vikings were there from 700 to 1100 AD. But they never wore helmets. It's false. So actually, you know Wagner? You know the Ride of the Valkyries? You know the Wagner opera? Terrible impression. But for a rendition of that in the 1880s, the set designer created an extravagant set and added horns just for effect. So it's not true. It's false. There we go. Round 1. Round 1 done. Round 1 done. So let me know your scores. Let me know your scores. So there are all the answers and you can have a look. So let me know your scores after round 1. We have done 1 round. So here we are. So it's a quiz for NHS. And again, if you feel like you're enjoying my quizzes, do feel free to go to justgiving.com/quiz for NHS at any stage. You're more than welcome.